Hana, Chinese Hana.
No,
He speaks Tagalog.
Yes.
He speaks
She can
English.
speak Tagalog. She can speak Tagalog.
Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Salamat. Hana, you marry me?
Hala! Hi! This place, guys, is a very nice place, guys, for the kids. See, maraming ano, other
Dogs.
no, not dogs.
Not
Mga cottages.
Not dogs.
Oh, some people they bring their dogs here. Ah, may dog ano. Oh, maraming taong pumunta dito. There are many people coming here. Many people. See, look, they changed it. See, they changed the post. Before, it's not like that. The post is not like that. It's just only a wood, like a timber. It's a timber. But now it's like a steel. See, let's see. I will touch
Sigaw
that.
to dyan, hindi.
I will touch.
Hindi sigaw.
Ay, plastic. It's
Ma?
a plastic.
Hindi sigaw, ma.
Huh?
Hindi sa sigaw ka to.
Kokato. Kokato. Lord, can you give us fish or fruit, please? Kokato yun ay. That's kokato. That's all kokato. See? Nice. Meron nag-boating, oh. Nag-boating. See?
Ano kayo shark, hindi?
Ha?
Hindi kayo shark.
Ah, hindi naman kaon ng shirt. Wow. Diyan ka. Pier to. Pier sa mga boat. P-I-E-R. Pier. Pier. Hala. Ano ba yan? Meron sa silang toilet. There's a toilet here. On cold. Okay, say something, Jeremy.
Sa sa fly, hindi mo na check.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pag may dog, si Jeremy matakot. Anong reaction ni Jeremy pag makakita siya ng dog? Nandun na. Hindi na niya alam.
Dito, ma'am.
He doesn't know
Dito, come.
what he's going to do.
Dito, ma'am.
What?
Dito.
Just stay here. Okay, the dog will come here. Just stay there.
Ito, leash.
Mayroong leash. There's a leash. Takot na siya. Oh, muna. Yan siya. Oh. Hindi niya alam. Oh, he doesn't know. Oh, he should get panic. See, look at that. Takot siya sa dog. Ano problema? That's my problem. Especially when we are going to shop, mall. See? Even that dog, even that small dog, he's scared. Yeah. Halika, come here na, Jeremy. Come here, Jeremy. Huh?
Ano dog may iwan?
Meron dog.
May leash doon.
Merong leash. Don't be scared.
Mansa?
Hindi mangunsa yan. Now, you're not scared?
No.
Are you scared?
No.
Oh, don't be scared. Don't run over there. It's dangerous. Maybe, yeah, maybe there are lots of snake.
Dito, ma'am.
Huh? Come. Enjoy kayo siya sa ato. Baka nandun tayo sa ano. Punta tayo dun. Ang ganda ng lugar nito. Super na beautiful view. Knock knock. Come here, knock knock. What? Don't worry, don't be scared. Madeline! Maraming mga tao na. Yan. Ingay-ingay ng mga birds. Kukatu. Wow. Kukatu. Anong ginawa mo dyan? Hmm?
Ano daw?
Ha?
Ano daw? Ang may dito.
Be careful ha, baka may shark, pumunta dyan. Ting! Sa bagay, hindi magpatasya kay mababaw man.
Digad.
Ting!
Ha?
Ting! Kayo.
Ano kaon?
Hmm?
Ano kaon?
Oh, mayroon pang shade pero walang table. Why? Hindi nilagyan table. Hmm? Ang ganda oh, may train pa doon oh, railway train, bridge. There is a bridge over there. Wow. Yeah, lots of boats, huh? Wow. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bahay dyan magbata.
Yeah. Hello, kids. Hello. They're fine. Excuse me, is it okay I took video the kids? Is it okay? Is it okay I'm taking video because my kids, my son is also there. Kaligo na. Dito oh, dito. Dito ka sa kuan. Ligo ka dito. Si. Ang dog na tinga, ang dog.
Sit down.
Yeah. Be careful ha, hold. Hold, Jude.
Here's good.
Hindi.
Wait ko to.
Sit down, wiwi. Kaya makita ng tintin mo. You sit down.
Kumikit ka dito.
Ha? Natawa ko si Jeremy. Jeremy. That's good. Sige. Swim diyan. Swim. Yan. Swim. Yan.
I'm cold.
Cold? It's not cold.
Not cold.
Not cold. Look warm. Yan na.
Something.
Ha? Sige, dito. Huwag kang masyadong palayo ha, kay malalim. You don't know how to swim.
Scared.
Why are you scared?
Raven.
No. It's just only a raven. Ala, grabe ang raven, no? Nakita niya yung pagkain sa kuan. Grabe. Nakita niya yung pagkain sa...
Can I wave it?
Hindi ay. Manusok. Be careful yan kay.
Poisonous?
Poisonous siya na kuan.
Ha?
Na ant, kana nga ant. Poisonous
YouTube?
yan. Nasa kanina.
YouTube?
Grabe ni nga ant. Pag makagat ka ni nga ant, mamaga yung ano mo.
Hinga?
Mamatay
YouTube,
ka
ma'am?
aning poisonous.
Happy YouTube?
Yes, delikado kay na.
Happy ma?
Lagi later na.
You die?
Did you take the...
May
Grabe ka.
add do?
Ha?
May add dyan.
Meron?
Yeah.
Maraming ants?
Yes, may off.
Saan?
Ganda.
Saan? I see. I see. Delikado. That's not... No, that's different. Macy.
May ho?
My hole. That's different, Jeremy. The one that you can step on it, it's very dangerous ant. This one is not dangerous. It's only a black ant. See? No, that's not an poisonous. No, it's not. That's a friendly ant. Friendly ant.
Ano ba ito? Cave?
Don't go there. Okay. Baka may snake.
Ano take meron?
Meron. May snake dyan. See? Lots of big stone. Big stone. Look at that.
Ulat lahat, hindi?
Yeah.
Yung ulan?
Ay, hindi.
Yung ulan, ma'am?
Hindi. Hi, thank you. Ano? See, play pa. Are you not hungry?
Yes, we're going to.
Gutom ka? Okay, let's eat. Okay, where is our food? Come here. Atong one ay bait.
I want it.
Asan sandwich mo? Pag wash hands. Ala.
Iwan ko.
Sandwich? Asan sandwich mo? Hotdog. Di na, it's not hotdog. Sausage. Kanin ka. Baon. Ay, bulat kami.
May isa hotdog ba?
Yeah. Hoy, you closed. May bulad kami,
We had the hungry.
Kasi, kunin mo. Did you wash your hands? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye you. Kain sa mi. Lechon. Baboy. Lechon baboy. Among pagkain, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. Bye-bye. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat. Please, click subscribe our YouTube channel. Good up in Australia. Jeremy is enjoying eating his sausages. You want the rice? Where's the spoon? Dili ka masugat. Sige. Nag-enjoy ang akong anak sa Ito ang mangyari pag matakot si Jeremy sa dog. Oh, hala. 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 Oh!